Craig, 1 point could have easily be 3 against Fflint today.
Definitely, though. Particularly at the end of the game, I thought, Mel, to be fair to him in the dressing room straight away at the end of the game, he said it felt like a loss because he missed that opportunity for us. But, he's worked tremendously hard to get into that position in the 91st minute. And he's done that throughout the game for us. On another day he scores it and we take the 3 points. But at 2-0 down, in light of being behind to second in the league, we'll take the point all day long, though.
We've lost twice to them this season. Big scores as well. So coming back from a 2-0 at half time to get a point, possibly 3, the great day for Papirnyk.
No, definitely, because, yes, you said that, but in terms of the league positions, there's 12 positions between us, I think 12 teams between us, and as you said, two heavy defeats early in the season. It can take a mental effect on the players, but I thought we started slowly today. We didn't start too bad, we just started slowly, and we allowed Fflint to just get ahead in terms of their directness and their physicality. We didn't cope with it very well early doors, so that was disappointing to see, because we knew what Fflint would bring. We've played them twice already, and we wanted to give it a good go. We didn't settle in possession, and we looked a bit frantic at times. So at half time we settled them down, and we just told them to start believing in themselves a little bit more, and go out second half and give it a real go. Because last week in Bangor, I didn't feel like we did that, when we should have gone and had a lot more urgency in our play when we were 1 down. And second half today, the lads have certainly responded in a positive way and shown basically that they can do it when the mentality's right. So we'll build on this now. Obviously, we've got a massive game this week coming up with Llangefni, so to end that game in a positive manner like we have will help us this week.
Half time, Corona up, Papirnyk down, a turning point possibly in the season, Craig.
Obviously we don't want to be looking at what other teams are doing, Dal, and we shouldn't be either, really. We should be concentrating on what we need to do week in, week out, whether that be at training or whether that be on a match day. What'll be will be come the end of the season, but if we concentrate on what we have to do, we'll come out of it the other side, I'm sure.
Sol Kempster, what a game.
Fantastic. Sol only got the call this morning. He was on the minibus at 11:30 to go with the reserves, and unfortunately an injury to Mike Sharples at work has ruled him out. Josh Banks got a chest infection, and Dan Robbs was in hospital in an x-ray. So, and with Kenny James struggling with his foot, we only had Ethan at the back. So I spoke to Aaron this morning and give Sol the green light, and I had belief in him. I've seen him, he trained with us on Thursday. I've seen him develop over the years for the club, and he's a fantastic lad, great personality. He was very nervous before the game, but as the game went on, he grew as well, and he was buzzing at the end, and rightly so. So well done to Sol.
A great find and a great result. Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Diolch yn fawr, Dal.